Merry Christmas, everyone. And to others who do not celebrate Christmas but celebrate other um, holidays based on their culture, happy holy days to you as well. Here, of course, I have my hot chocolate, which is for the evening when I watch my movie. But beforehand, here we have in this bowl, this lovely blue teal bowl, we have a beautiful vegan salad, no meat at all. It's made with mixed greens. We have cucumbers, the ones that have the seeds. We have plum tomatoes. We also included in this avocado. And we have a special, what we call tahini sauce that my 13-year-old daughter, well, she's 14, my 14-year-old daughter has made. And it's soon to come out and go online in 2022, so it will be available in many stores. Also here, we have, of course, for the end of our evening, we have our oatmeal and raisin cookies, okay? And we have, that she made, she's 14, she made this macaroni and cheese casserole, okay? Everything is vegan that we have here, so, you know, you can enjoy without even eating meat and saving the animals as well at the same time. Here we have a also homemade vegan, all vegan, no dairy, sweet potato pie, and not made with the yellow sweet potatoes. It's made with the Japanese sweet potato from Japan. Everything is organic, everything is vegan, non-GMO. Here we also have a homemade stew. It's made with garbanzos. It's made with, we have the tricolor quinoa. We have tomatoes. Of course, they are plum. We also include in this fresh herbs like rosemary, oregano, thyme. Also in this bowl here of loveliness and healing, we also included the biro bananas. And we also included the Ethiopian berberry spices as well. Over here we also have, the basic quinoa. It is the regular white quinoa that we have. It's topped with lovely fried mushrooms, where we have the trumpet mushrooms. And additional, we also have the oyster mushrooms. Of course, like we said, everything is organic and everything is vegan and everything is dairy free. Right here we have some plantains mixed in, but we also have, well, not plantains, I call them plantains, but they're really the biro bananas. They're fried. And we also have the fried oyster mushrooms. And here we have, in this little bitty small little cup, we have the tahini sauce that we also use for the salad, but it's also a great dipping sauce for your mushrooms. Here, this is our Christmas meal. It's simple. It's no weight gaining. Of course, you don't want to lose any of these pounds when you have a figure like this one. So we just want to thank you, and we want to welcome you to the vegan community. And not just vegan, we begin as vegan and we end up not only just being alkaline, but we also end up being electrical. That is the goal here. So eating vegan foods that are not hybrid will get you onto your journey. Thank you and have a blessed day.